The world of cameras keeps moving fast, and every new release makes people wonder if it is worth the upgrade. Nikon has been building a strong reputation with its Z series, and the Z9 set a new standard for professional mirrorless cameras. Now, the upcoming Nikon Z9 II is making headlines, and photographers are waiting to see how Nikon has improved on a camera that already impressed so many. Stick around, because this might be one of the most exciting cameras of the year. You're watching Tap Tech, where we bring you the latest in tech news and reviews, and today we're diving into everything you need to know about the Nikon Z9 II. When Nikon launched the Z9, it was seen as a big step forward for mirrorless cameras, and it showed how serious Nikon was about competing in the professional space. With the Z9 II, Nikon is not just making small adjustments but introducing changes that reflect real improvements based on user feedback. The official release date is set for late 2025, and that means professional photographers and enthusiasts won't have to wait much longer to get their hands on it. But what exactly is changing, and why should anyone consider upgrading? Let's break it down step by step. One of the first things people will notice is the design and build quality. Nikon is sticking with the robust, professional body that the Z9 was known for, but with refinements that make it lighter without losing durability. The magnesium alloy chassis is still there for toughness, but improved ergonomics mean it feels more comfortable during long shoots. Buttons and dials have been slightly redesigned for easier use, and the weather sealing has been enhanced to handle even harsher conditions. For professionals shooting in the field, that extra reassurance matters. The grip has also been reworked for better balance when using larger telephoto lenses, which many wildlife and sports photographers will appreciate. The display is another area where Nikon is pushing forward. The Z9 II comes with a higher resolution 3.5-inch rear LCD that tilts in multiple directions, making it more flexible for both photography and videography. The electronic viewfinder has also been upgraded with a brighter and sharper panel that offers a truly lifelike preview, even in challenging light conditions. That kind of improvement helps photographers trust what they're seeing before they capture the shot. Performance is where things get even more interesting. Nikon is introducing a new processor that makes the Z9 II faster and more efficient. Autofocus has been improved with better subject detection powered by AI, which can recognize humans, animals, vehicles, and even smaller details with greater accuracy. Continuous shooting speeds are also faster, giving professionals the ability to capture more frames per second without sacrificing image quality. For action, sports, or wildlife photography, this could make a huge difference. The sensor has been updated too. The Z9 II features a newly developed high-resolution full-frame sensor with better low-light performance and dynamic range. This means more detail in shadows, smoother highlights, and cleaner images even at higher ISOs. Nikon is aiming to give photographers the flexibility to work in almost any environment without worrying about noise or loss of detail. On the video side, Nikon knows creators are demanding more. The Z9 II is built with improved 8K recording options, now supporting higher frame rates and better heat management to allow longer recording times. It also offers advanced 4K modes with oversampling for sharper footage. For professionals working in video production, this opens up more creative possibilities without needing extra gear. The in-body image stabilization has been refined as well, giving smoother handheld shots and helping both photographers and videographers. Battery life has been extended compared to the first Z9, thanks to a combination of a more efficient processor and a new battery design. Nikon claims it can last significantly longer on a single charge, which matters for professionals who spend long hours shooting on location. Fast charging and USB-C power delivery are also included, so charging on the go is easier than ever. Software and features have also received attention. The user interface has been slightly updated for smoother navigation, and Nikon is rolling out more customizable options for photographers who want to fine-tune their workflow. Wireless connectivity. VD is stronger with faster Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support, making file transfers quicker and remote control more reliable. This kind of improvement reflects how modern cameras are not just tools for shooting but also part of an entire connected workflow. Of course, with all these changes, price becomes an important factor. The Nikon Z9 II is expected to be priced in the same premium range as the original Z9, making it a serious investment for professionals. But when you consider the upgrades, especially in autofocus, video recording, and sensor performance, it seems Nikon is making sure that buyers feel they are getting true value for their money. Now let's talk about the pros and cons, because no camera is perfect. On the positive side, the Z9 II brings a more advanced autofocus system, improved video capabilities, better low-light performance, longer battery life, and a refined design. These are all significant changes that improve the experience for both photographers and videographers. On the downside, the premium price means it won't be for everyone. It's also a large and heavy camera compared to smaller mirrorless bodies, which might make it less appealing for casual shooters. And while Nikon has made it more efficient, the sheer power of the camera still requires big storage cards and fast processing hardware on the editing side. In the end, the Nikon Z9 II feels like a natural evolution of a camera that already set high standards. Nikon has listened to professional feedback and made meaningful upgrades that actually matter in real-world use. If you're a professional photographer or a serious enthusiast looking for a camera that can handle almost anything, the Z9 II should definitely be on your radar. It's not just about specs, it's about trust, reliability, and performance when it counts. So, is the Nikon Z9 II worth the wait? For many professionals, the answer will be yes. Nikon has shown that it is not just following trends but actively leading the way in mirrorless innovation. And as we get closer to the release date, the excitement only grows. This might just be the camera that defines Nikon's future in the professional mirrorless market. Thanks for watching TapTech, where we bring you the best and most authentic reviews of the latest tech. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the Nikon Z9 II, don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews and updates. Until next time, stay tuned for more tech that shapes the future.